When you're scheduling an exam or another major assessment, choosing the right due date can be just as important as preparing the assessment itself. Publishing through Google Classroom or another learning platform is simple, but it can't tell you whether other teachers have already scheduled major assessments for that same time. Many schools try to solve this with assessment calendars, but keeping them up to date requires extra work from every teacher, so they often fall by the wayside. Studyo automates that process. If the assignment you've just published may overload some of your students, Studyo automatically lets you know by email. The email summarizes how many students are affected, shows the assignments contributing to the workload, identifies the affected students, and includes a link to open the assignment directly in Google Classroom if you decide to make changes. To help you plan ahead, you can check the impact before publishing using the Workload widget in Studyo Insights. It highlights the days where students have reached or exceeded your school's recommended workload and shows how many students are affected on each day. Selecting a day reveals the assignments, both yours and those from other teachers, that are contributing to the workload. You can also expand the list to see exactly which students are affected before deciding on a due date. And if you're publishing directly from Studyo, you don't even have to check first. You'll automatically be warned before the assignment is posted, with the same workload details available right in the publishing window, so you can adjust the due date before students ever see it. The goal isn't to prevent teachers from assigning work. It's to make student workload visible, so teachers can make informed decisions without the extra effort of maintaining a separate assessment calendar.